Hello, today we're going to be looking at enzyme inhibitors, specifically poisons and medicinal drugs. So there are two types of inhibitor that are used to treat viral infections. And these are protease inhibitors, and these stop the protein being coded for, so it's just not coded for. And nucleoside reverse transcriptase, they stop DNA being made so the virus can't replicate. So it stops DNA replication. And now if we look at a few examples of medicinal drugs, we've got aspirin here. So aspirin is a type of prostaglandin. And this they make nerve cells more sensitive to pain and increase swelling. So if this enzyme, that's an enzyme, if the enzyme is inhibited, then there's going to be less pain and less inflammation, which is why it's like a painkiller, because we're stopping the nerve cells being sensitive, so we're going to feel less pain. If we're looking at poison here, we've got cyanide, and the process that it inhibits is aerobic respiration. And the enzyme is inhibited in the mitochondria, which makes sense because that's where aerobic respiration happens. And it's a pretty obvious effect that it stops the respiration, and other reactions can't take place as a result of that because they don't have the oxygen or ATP, so eventually you die. It's like a lethal thing. And then we can also look at acetylcholine esterase is an enzyme that is inhibited by snake bites. So this enzyme is in the a synapse in between the neuromuscular synapses and cholinergic synapses, and when this enzyme is inhibited, it can cause paralysis, so the acetylcholine esterase will stay bound to the receptors on the muscle membrane and keep the muscle contracted, so there'll be a constant contraction. Which can result in paralysis. There are a couple more examples, but I'm not going to go into them here. If you want to look at more examples, I would take a look at the textbooks. Thank you for watching.